What's up, everybody? It's your boy RDZ in the building. Got a new song called Still Blazing Remix. You might know the beat. It's a Wiz Khalifa beat. You know, I stick with that Wiz Khalifa, man. Taylor Gang or die. Here we go.
Don't let nobody tell you what is good for you. Are you alone or you just well done? Don't let nobody rule your soul away. Just be yourself every day.
Sorry, DZ, bitch. Yeah. Still blazing. I go through like an hour a day, nigga. You know about that. Wiz Khalifa beat. Ha! Yo. Still blazing. Amazing. Still blazing. Yo. I keep one rolled up, you already know you can fill up my cup. Smoking on some dro, I thought I'd let you niggas know. Yeah, I'm still blazing and I'm feeling amazing. Smoking this kush, man, I'm so gone, man, I'm in my zone. And when I'm feeling this way, just leave me alone. I'm just chilling with my boys, using pipes, bongs, and doobies as toys. The taste of this weed still gives me joy, and I think it's time to roll another one. I'll even roll your mother's son. Don't worry if you ask, I'll share. Just don't complain when I roll it or pack it slow. I'm just showing I care. And please don't stare. This weed looks funky, but you don't have to be scared. This is RDZ, man, and I got a good plan. Let's roll up, then roll up again. This push is a straight 10. I wish you would never leave. I would never be sad then, 'cause I'd be still blazing, still blazing, still blazing, man. Still blazing. It's RDZ, bitch. It's RDZ, bitch. Wiz Khalifa beats. Yo. Still blazing. Yo. This beat reminds me of when I wanted to go to Cali. I smoke blunts, bitch. Or pipes, or bongs, or doobies. It don't matter, as long as I get high. It's RDZ, man. You already know. 1.